Mama, why didn't you allow us to cover her head fully, bury her fully? I want the vultures to feed on her skull so that in her next war she'll be senseless.
You buried me, but then you forgot I am a seed. You can never take a life from whom you never give a life to. Except Hachi has consented to that. My name is Grace, and I represent Grace.
Swag again at banana. Oh, one be the week. Swag again at banana, Mama. So, Mama, sugar more, Mama. Hey, oh, my little chamo. Oh, wow, Mama. Tenene, Mambo. One in Manaresia. Hey, oh, you don't mean Mr. Ward, one I consider more. Oh, what material, husband material? Mama, 1,000 yards. Hey, Mama. You don't miss it. My head wants to disappear. Eh? My head wants to disappear. If your head disappears, I will make it reappear by force. Mama! And what if it refuses to reappear? Why won't it reappear? Eh? Time. Adamwaki. Eh, Mama. Adamwaki. Eh? Hey! Mama mo. Itakataka. Mommy mo. Itakataka. Mama mo. Magina tu ofe. Magina tu abacha. What is it? Mama. What is happening? Oh, where did you get this from? Hey. Zemi, you're asking that kind of question. Me, Maggie, I came in, you were not around. I went straight to your kitchen. Yeah. I opened your freezer. Hey! Mama, hey! Enjoyment will kill you. Enjoyment will boogie. I saw chicken. Do you know what I did? I picked the fattest of them all. Hey, Mama. You know me with food now. Where called sauce, eh? I made the sauce where I get all the chicken, whatever. Just eating this chicken that. If I finish this one, I'll go again. And another one. You like enjoyment too much. Like a daughter, like a mother. No, Mama, you should be like a mother, like a daughter. Ever. Hey! Wait! Look at this madman. Do you think we're having a carnival here? You are just spread there like coronavirus. My friend, go to the put and pack those things there.
Sorry.
You go and sorry too. See this idiot. Look at his canvas. Hey, bring those things for me. Are you sure he's well? Mama, I wish we can put this music again. Mama, put the music again. Let's go inside. How was your journey? I hope it was stressful. Onyapo, it was so stressful. But thank God I am here. Don't hear. You try around now with all the air. Mama. No, it's again the chicken here. Mama, I'm not even talking about the chicken again. Oh, you said somebody was praised. I didn't hear that thing again. This hair.
I got fat togaria. Yeah, chow chow to chow. You see how they were admiring this hair.
Oh, Mama.
You see how the cake or what the can as an name was.
Hey, Pakistan. Mama, the person that made this hair for you will not make heaven. Huh?
Style.
Go and tell that your style is the person will not make heaven.
Doing all this, if I remember African hairstyle. If you put on a feel like this, everybody will know that yes, somebody is there.
I'm sure this is the reason I missed you at the park.
Did you come to
because I would have been ashamed to come and Mama Waka Mama Biko.
You see how they were looking at me at the park.
Thank you very much for you and the people that you had married. Mama Biko, sorry, I was supposed to come to the park, but I had something very important I had to go and pick up. And by the time I called you, you said you were already on your way home.
I may waste time. You know me now.
Mama Mia. Strong woman.
I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Mama, so what are these bags for? You went for shopping for your mother? At least you can change your clothes and I'm just sitting there.
Mama, see that bag?
Yes.
It's very important to me.
Okay.
Nobody touches that bag in this house except me. I mean, nobody opens it. It is my little secret in this house. Mama, leave the bag. Mama, you don't have to open it. Open the bag. Sugar. Mama. It's enough. Oh, Mama, it is okay. It is better I supply food to a ceremony than supply food in this my house. Mama, I have never seen a man that eats like my husband. My husband eats like a thief. His own house, he eats like a rat. This man will just wake up in the night and ask for one abnormal food. Osimene, please go to the kitchen. Go and prepare me fufu with a little touch of eba. Imagine combination.
Fufu and eba.
Mama, I know my biano. Prepare me a goosey soup with less quantity of oil and make sure you mix it with okra. Because fry that plantain and make sure that the back gets burnt because I like my back of plantain burnt. You will have that one for appetizer. And then the rest combination, Mama, as breakfast. For one person, Mama, one man. Or for you, Mama, one man.
Or half only. Is he a foodie?
Mama, my husband is more than a foodie. Only Liniko Noshi. He eats like somebody that has not. You see this, my husband? He's a glutton. Mama, take a look at this man.
What's your material?
Mama, can't material. Grandpapa material. This one, Mama, the way he eats, the way this man eats is unthinkable. Mama, I have to do everything to keep this man. Your daughter had to devise a means to make sure that her marriage work. You know how we got here. I had to look for a woman in this neighborhood. Mama, she's the best cook around this area. What I do is, I go to buy food from her every 2 weeks. If the food finishes before that time, I will still go back to her and get food. This woman started becoming nosy. I don't understand what her problem was. Now to carry my chuchu. This food you come to buy every day. What do you use it? I have to tell her, you know what? Just be packing it in a takeaway pack for me so that she thinks that I'm taking it to a less privileged home. Mama, that is it. This is the means I've been using to save my home since 1911.
Hey, what means so? What's good? So you go to a roadside book, money mama put. You get food and make your husband believe you made them.
Mama, Orichania. He will be licking his fingers as if he just ate food prepared by a chef in Hilton. And be praising me up. Mama, your daughter has too much sense.
This is no sense, oh. This is no sense at all. Sugar,
Mama,
what stops you from going into the kitchen and make the food yourself?
Mama,
What an easy.
Mama, because
It's very simple.
this news you are bringing right now is outdated. Elenke will go into the kitchen and make food. Mama, you and I know now. You know I can't do anything in the kitchen aside cooking water.
Ima, cooking water.
And
they cook water. Called boiling water.
Mama, honey, all of them are the same thing. The thing is that there's a water inside the pot, fire is hitting under. The only difference is the name. At the end of the day, you get to a degree. Water will come outside, smoke will come outside. All the water will boil. Mama had to do everything. Your daughter cannot come and kill herself by herself. I have to do everything to keep this. Mama, you know how much. You know what it took me to grab this man. You know what it took me. Listen, come happier. Who will cook the food? Me? Or my late father? A man that loves food more than his wife. Obiakita from that Obido power. Give me beans and corn. Beans and tea. Beans and corn. Very odd combination.
Sugar. The only thing you know how to do in the kitchen is to cook water. And a cook water can boil water. Ow! Baka mama galulane. new thing. Oh.
Yeah, just go down. Short the wings.
Hi, Grandma! How are you?
I'm fine, Grandma.
Hey!
Good afternoon.
Jimoma. How are you?
I'm fine, Grandma.
You're back.
Yes, Grandma.
No, sir.
Mama.
My in-law. Husband material. 1,000 years.
How are you?
I'm good. You are here.
Yes, I hope your journey wasn't too stressful.
It was so stressful. I met one reckless Okada man today. I nearly killed that man with my backhand. Man, on a second thought and said, let me use my church man that leave this man. So I ignored him. Before Asuna Maggie came to the city and committed murder.
No. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Hey! Husband material.
Mama.
You're not looking bad though.
Oh.
Ginamma.
Handwork of God.
And the work of God.
Right.
Yeah. My in-law. Say the truth and shame the devil. It is the handiwork of my daughter.
Oh.
She has told me so much, how you like food. It's like getting food number 5 and 6. I'm very happy that she's good at that though. And the other room.
Mama, you're actually not far from the truth. My wife has been very amazing. I tell my friends she's an amazing cook, you know?
Oh, they sing the check.
Exactly.
Oh, they sing the check. The truth is out in the open.
Right.
I'm happy you're saying the truth. Hey, no bing bing.
Grandma, I missed you.
I missed you too.
Mama, afternoon.
Afternoon, my darling. You're back.
Yes, I'll be back.
I didn't know you were coming back so soon. I was actually going to pick up Jamal from school.
Yeah, I mean, I had less work to do at the office. So I decided to stop over and pick him up since his school is not far from my office here.
Oh. Okay, that's nice. I mean, good.
Mom, let me go up, drop my bag, freshen up, then come play with Grandma.
I'm waiting for that. Let me teach you how to play village playing, oh? Iwa, do.
I saw you in the kitchen, huh?
Yeah.
What? I was going into the kitchen.
No. The kitchen. What do you want? You know, it's this week is your birthday, so I really want to give you that treat, you know? I don't want you to stress yourself. I don't want you to not do anything. What do you want? I could actually get it for you.
I just go to the room.
Okay, I'll walk you to the room. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Wow. It's none of my business. Me, Maggie. My own is to see to relax. If I chop chicken or the room, I chop pork meat. Well, already one last year. You. Money is good to be gone. See, there could go to Missy. Blah, 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 blah. What you want?
Big surprise.
What could that be?
Just come. Do this. Okay? I want you to stay here.
What are you up to?
Not to worry, okay? I just want you to stay like this. Don't move.
Like this?
Yes, be like this.
Alright, that's fine.
I'm just gonna go back to the kitchen. The water. Yeah, right. The water. I'll
Just go and get it. Don't move. Okay? Just take that. I will I'll be back. Don't move. Make sure you don't move, okay? I'll be with you in a bit, honey. All right?
No. Madam, I need to go again. Madam, I'm tired.
What happened with your passport? Excuse me.
Madam, I'm tired. I'm not going again. Madam, what is this one now?
Need tired.
I'm tired. I'm not going again, I beg.
Is this where I asked you to take me to?
Where did you ask me to take you to? Where did you ask me to take you to? We've gone to 3 previous places. We go to Mama Kitty's place. You keep me for outside. I wait. Nothing come out. You go Ubeke's place. Nothing come out. You still carry me go Mr. Okoro's place. Now you don't carry me to go and that place where I don't know. You don't even tell me why they even carry you they go sell. I don't understand. You wanted the villagers now today say you enter new keke. Huh?
Which one are you calling keke?
This one. Add money. You don't want add money. Eh? What's happened?
I want to tell the whole village I entered new keke. Thunder that will kill you. It's still somersaulting from Wadrijanabia. It is obvious you don't know who I am. Nonsense, I will hear Makacha. This one, new. You don't know who I am.
Madam, who are you?
Mama Bomagi can personally buy this Gura 50 and dash it to you as Christmas gift. You might only buy my in-law. Hey! Odogula Pempe. Husband material 100 years, 1,000 years in Kitolo Benyagia. Can feed your whole family for 20th generation. And you are here insulting yourself. You're not insulting yourself. You're not insulting your mother. If I allow my hand, what am I going to
Really? Wait, Ben, how dare you? How dare you say that? Listen, my wife is the best chef ever in the entire world. Listen, if you taste my wife's food, you'll forget about your wife's food. My wife's food is called eat and forget your worries. Eat and forget your sorrow. Huh? In fact, what? Listen, presently she's making egusi soup for lunch. Why don't you come over with your entire family and have lunch with us? No, come taste my wife's food. You're there arguing with me. My wife cooks better than yours. Okay, that's fine. Babe, can you imagine? I just got off the phone with Ben. He said his wife cooks better than you. I was like, oh, who does that?
Of course, who does that?
Exactly. Listen, I told him if he eats your food, he'll forget about his worries.
Of course, he hasn't really tasted my...
Exactly. So I told him to come with his entire family and have lunch with us. No, what's funny?
You're so funny.
What's funny? No, I told him you're presently making egusi soup for lunch. I told him to come with his family to have lunch with us.
True. Yes. Egusi.
Wait. Do you need my help in the kitchen? I was going to say that. Do you need my help in the kitchen?
No.
I hope you have all the necessary ingredients so I can...
Yes.
Huh?
Oh. Yes.
Wait, I need to help you.
Whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
Sugar, you are finished. Can you just come and bury me?
Paul! Madam, good afternoon.
Don't worry, it's okay, you can go.
Okay. Paul!
Do you know how to cook egusi soup?
Ma?
Sir? What do you mean, ma? Didn't you hear me? Was I speaking Spanish? Imesi egusi soup. Listen, the reason I'm asking is because I might be traveling very soon. And I won't come back in time. I need you to be here to take care of my husband. Proper care of him. Make sure that he's okay. Make his food, especially his favorite soup, egusi soup. Listen, why I'm telling you this is that your job, even your life, depends on you knowing how to cook and take care of my husband. Like, you think it's to just sit down here, you balance, spread anyhow like malaria in my house, and be eating all my food and be getting fat. That's not the reason I brought you here.
Madam, you shouldn't be talking about getting fat. You know, like skeleton.
No, please, just shut up. I'm asking you again. Do you know how to cook egusi soup?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Good. Now you are going to tell me how you are going to prepare my husband's food. Yes, because I'm going to score you based on that. Your job in this house depends on you knowing how to cook this soup I asked you now. Ngwa, start talking.
Well, it depends. It depends on the one you want to cook because egusi is two types. Egusi is two types. There is one for the rich and one for the poor. The one for the poor, they call it tabrikru. That's why the one you hold a body side and use spoon to sip the soup. And that one you use one cup of egusi with 10 liters of water. That one is for the poor.
Shut up. Does this look like a poor man's house? I'm telling you that you're going to prepare something for my husband. Does my husband look poor to you? Tell me how to cook a proper egusi soup or not tabirikuru. How do you cook a proper egusi soup?
Oh, the one you want to cook is bully. Is it bully?
Bully.
Okay. Madam, bully is egusi soup for the rich. The one that the rich people will be cooking here. And the smell will go as far as 6 kilometers from the kitchen where they cook them. Madam, what you want to cook?
Well, that's not the type I really prepare, but that's the one I want you to be cooking for my husband.
Oh, na bully.
A bully. So tell me how you are going to cook it when I'm not around. Because I'm scoring you right now.
Number one, madam. You buy one penta of egusi. You cook it with 2 cups of water.
One penta of egusi.
2 cups of water. Because
2 cups of water.
Because of thickness, it's for the rich, the thickness. So it will not be. Oh, water no go down.
Okay.
Water no go down.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Or you write sachet obroko. Sachet obroko. Sachet.
That's oporoko in a sachet.
Yes, obroko. Sachet obroko. It's there. It's for the rich people. Sachet obroko.
Paul. Oh, okay.
3. Dawa.
Paul.
Madam, dawa.
Don't cook the one that will kill my husband. Dawa.
They use dawa to cook it. Dawa.
Okay. Number 4.
Okay, number 4, hunger.
Hunger kwa. Paulo.
Madam, you don't know hunger. Hunger na the small sachet that they put in everything. Spaghetti, indomie, stew, tea, everything. Hunger. Sweetie.
You mean hunger?
Plenty, sweetie. Hunger.
Anyway, when I cook my husband's son, I don't put hunger.
Right, 5 for hunger.
5
for hunger.
Okay,
number 5. Sugar, 2 packets. 2 packets sugar.
Paul. Sugar kwa.
Madam, you use sugar. Yes, because how can the rich be cooking and the poor cannot rest in peace in their house?
Okay.
Sugar must they involve or saccharin. If they sugar, they saccharin too.
Oh, okay. It's sugar that makes it get to other people.
Boom.
Oh.
The taste is in the sugar.
You will use 3. 3 packets.
The sugar, you got abaji. You put it in a bowl. Hanini, if you put it in a bowl, you come pour hot water inside. You pour hot water and melt it. When hot water melts the sugar, you pour your meat. Yeah, boy. I don't know about sugar. That's where the taste today.
Okay, the taste will not be entering inside.
Yeah, Rick when he made the meat.
Oh, you are trying. I didn't know that you can't.
I did too much.
I don't used to use all those things. I think you know what you're sugar. You are trying.
Then what does it?
Whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful. Whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful. adulterers, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The one.
Uncle Ben!
Oh, Jamal, how are you?
I'm fine, Uncle Ben.
You're looking good.
Auntie, how are you?
How about your mom and your dad? Are they inside?
Yes, they are inside.
All right, let's go inside.
Come, let's play. So which game are you playing?
Whether good or bad, whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
It wasn't my intention. Please. You know this cooking thing it's not really something I know how to do very well. That was why I pleaded with you to get a chef. But then you paid no attention to that. You know, I remember you told me that food is the only way to your heart. I didn't want to go below that. I just wanted to meet up to your expectation. That was why I had to start buying food from roadside canteen. Bring them home and made you believe I made the food myself. Husband, please, I'm begging you. I don't want to lose you. I will do anything to make this marriage work. Just get someone to be doing the cooking in the house. I swear, I promise you, I will pick up from there. Anything she makes, I will make it. I will even make it more. I just need someone in the house that can, coach me a little bit and put me through. Please. Biko. Please. I'm begging you. Oh, Biko, please. Oh, Mom. Am I forgiven? Please. Just this one thing I'm asking you of. Eh? I really need this maid. I want to be able to do everything for you. I promise I will learn anything.
ofe nsala, abacha na akwa, ofe onugbu. Anything I would learn. Because please.
None can conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Una fuga na weza de full number. No, 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 no. My name is Grace. I represent grace. Oh, seed of grace. I represent grace. My name is Grace. I represent grace. A seed of grace. My name is Grace. I represent a seed of grace.
Good afternoon.
Now waiting.
Please, is this Mr. Tony's residence?
Yes, waiting happen.
Okay, my name is Grace. I'm from Madam's Bay Canteen. I'm a chef.
Chief. How you doing now?
Fine.
My organ will say they come.
Yes.
Hello, get the gate.
Okay, ma.
Who's that?
Hey, madam. Na chief, oh.
What do you mean by chief?
Madam, you don't know chief. All those people where they cook plenty food for event now. Where they fry.
Hello, you mean chef?
Yes, na them.
Hey,
Yes.
is that here? Chef?
Yes,
I sent for a chef. Person here? Oh, come. Let her in.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
You surprised?
I am surprised.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Come in.
Oh, darling, come in. Come right in.
My uncle say make they go.
Huh?
My uncle say make you they come.
Oh, it's okay, darling. Come. I know you haven't seen an edifice like this before, but it's fine. It's okay. Come in. It's okay, darling. You can come in. It's fine.
He's shy.
Shy?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, something's
Hey, come.
Come on, darling. Come in.
Come. The dogs are caged.
Okay. You know what? I'll just go and get her.
All right.
It's fine. Come, darling. Come. Okay, so, darling, I want you to be really comfortable. This is my house, our house, of course, and my handsome husband. You're welcome here. Feel at home. I mean, feel free. Okay? Thing is, I'm going out right now, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay? Honey, I'll see you later.
All right.
Oh, she's so cute. All right, see you guys later. And please don't forget, make me something nice. Maybe like a fresh juice. That'll be fine. See you guys later.
Paul, shut the gate when she leaves. Hey, you come inside. Come.
Auntie Gracious, Daddy said you are here to prepare us good meal so we'll stop having running stomach each time we eat. Tell me, Auntie Gracious, is it true? Would you prepare my favorite meal? Mom is not good at preparing that. Anytime we eat meal prepared by Mom, all will end up having running stomach. Even Daddy, his face will be like this. Tell me, Auntie Gracious, are you?
Come here. Thanks, sis. Sit down. You see, I have watched you closely since you started working here. And I must say, you're doing very good. I see how you take up all the chores that don't fall within your job specification. That's very impressive, and I must commend you. And most importantly, I am also not blind to see that you're bonding with my son. You're becoming very close to him. That's very good. And I want you to know that I am not angry about that. As a matter of fact, I want you to do more. I want you to make him happy. Put a smile on his face, just as you have put a smile on my face. Make him happy, just as you have made me happy. Whether or not I'm around, I want you to do the best you can to be his friend, be close to him, bond with him. And honestly, I'll appreciate that Are you okay with that? Are we good?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Please.
Which one do you want? I did that. I want Coca-Cola. No. Coca-Cola. What? This ended up on your hands? What happened? So you open it like this. So you open it. No, you open it.
Okay, let's see.
Master, mommy head. Cross, spider jump. Spooky walk. Cross, spider jump. Spooky walk. Feet goes down. You don't have to sing it. It's a popular song.
Let's sing Vampire.
No, let's think of PJ Masks. PJ Masks is a great time to fight crime. I can't think of it right. PJ Masks and the PJ Masks. PJ Masks and the PJ Masks. PJ Masks! Oh, I don't have to sing the one. But it's in Vampirina.
Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no.
Everything. Every single thing. The presence. The aura. The voice. every single thing. But the face I see in you.
Once I've seen her, your wife. But then all you say I never saw in me.
Yeah. Nah. You never met her. Jamal's mother, I meant. My present wife's sister. My late wife. She was a lovely woman.
She's late. What killed her?
She drowned. She drowned. My late wife had gone to the village to see her mother and her sister. But that was the last time I saw her or heard from her. My beloved wife never returned. She never came back. A few days later, her sister called me and said there was an accident involving a car at the Uguta bridge. So we all quickly rushed. We all rushed to the accident scene to take a look. And behold, I saw my car suspended by the edge of the bridge. With all the doors open wide. We tried to tow the car, but unfortunately, my wife was nowhere to be found. She had drowned. She had drowned. The demise of my wife shattered my life. I lost my mind. In fact, that's actually one of the reasons I had to change environment. Perhaps I could get over the trauma. I loved her with the depth of my soul. I loved her with everything I had. Listen, I'm sorry I am boring you with my stories. I can feel it. I don't mean to do that, alright? I'm sorry. Yeah.
So, you got married to your late wife's sister. And you don't see that as a disrespect to her wherever she is.
No, I can explain. Listen. My son Jamal, he was too tender to become motherless. I needed someone to be there for him. Someone to take care of him. And I thought of my late wife's sister because she was already coming around to do that. And I was so happy that they became close friends and they bonded. Just like you. Just like you came around and you're good friends with my son. And boom. And I could literally see Jamal's mother, my son's mother, inside of you. I saw Jamal's mother, my son's mother. I saw her inside of you. I know.
Closer. I think it's time to spell it out. Not so fast. Yes. Let his wife, your sister, return from the village. Remember, we're yet to get all the information, all the proof we want. My colleague at the Paragon's hospital is yet to return. If not for the misfortune that befell the hospital, by now getting all the evidence that we need would have been easy. Remember, your face is changed, so it will be hard for you to prove it to your husband without any evidence. So just relax. With time, it will strike. Yes. Are you enjoying it? If what? If what? Huh? It's that.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Why is she not picking her calls? Grace, pick your call now. Ah, this girl. Grace, why are you not picking your calls now?
Listen, I need you to tell me the truth. What I'm about to ask you right now is very, very important to me. Okay. First off, I have never really asked you anything about yourself. Like, your family background, where you're from, who your parents are. You have siblings, right? Listen, I'm sorry, about the differences between us. I'm really not that kind of person. It's just that I am a woman who's been pushed, and any woman in my shoes will do the same thing. But I need to know. I need to know certain things about you. What I might be doing now might not be the right thing. I'm not even sure about this, but I just want to know who you are. Your family background and people who know you. I've never really asked you that before. I just want to know. Have you seen this lady? The person in this picture before? Have you by any chance met her somewhere? Do you know who she is? Have you come across somebody like this before?
No, I haven't.
To be scared. Not at this point. No, please. Not when we are almost done with gathering all the information that we need to strike. You can't be scared, Remember when I told you that this is God at work? I mean it. This is God at work. Your name is Grace, and it's the same Grace that has been following you. The grace saw you through all the trauma your stepmother and your stepsister put you through. And the same grace brought late Dr. Douglas, whom God used not only to finance your surgery, but he saw it through everything. Yes, the same grace took you back as a chef, back to your husband and your son you've been wanting to see all this while. Can't you see that this is God at work? I want you to be patient. I want you to be strong. Just little time, we will get all the information that we need. Then we strike. Please.
to be strong for us. Be strong for me. Be strong for your husband, your son.
I'm not ready.
Finished. Mama, everything is finished. Akara, yasa go, Mama. Orego go, Mama.
Give me yasalo. What is finished? Give me legwalo.
Mama. Grace. 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 Mama, Grace is alive. Grace is still alive, Mama. Grace is alive. Oh.
Who is Grace?
Our own Grace, the same Grace, you know. Mama, the woman my husband employed in my house as a chef is Grace. She went for a face transplant. Mama, she went for a face surgery. She went to change her face so that she can come back to my husband's house and take my husband away from me, Mama. She had a face disguise. Remember we talked about the similarity in their voices? Mama, it is Grace. No wonder they had this chemistry. There was something about them. They were so close, Mama. Mama, this is not good, oh. We need to do something about it. We need to do something about it, Mama. Grace is alive.
Grace is alive.
Are you listening to me? Are you listening to what I'm saying?
You know it's not possible now. She was shot dead.
It is...
Grace was shot dead in our presence.
Mama, it is obvious that we were the one who was shot dead.
No, now I can't die.
No, I think we're the one that's dead.
No.
It's the same Grace in my house right now.
Huh?
Mama, Grace is alive!
No, this is not happening.
Oh, no, how can...
Grace alive!
Mama, Biko, we need to do something. She cannot take my husband away from me, Mama. She cannot take my husband away, Mama.
Calm down, I want to comprehend this. We need to do something, yes. What do we do?
Mama, Inajum, what do you mean, what do we do? We need to do something. Inasim, what do we do? Mama, what time does it matter? What do you have to do? Time!
I am coming.
Mama, for goodness sake, what has time got to do with this? I said Grace is alive. Inajum, what is the time? Mama, this is the way to the parlor!
Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. A wicked world. A wicked
My husband.
Mama? You visited?
I visited.
You came?
I came.
Nobody told me you were coming. Baby, didn't tell me your mother was coming.
Are you saying that I will always announce my visits whenever I want to come to my in-laws' house?
Yes.
No,
when I show your mom again, am I not welcome here?
Yes.
Mama, I never said you're not welcome. That I'm just... Hey, where have you been? I've been calling you. Hey, I've been calling you and your number has been switched off. I'm talking to you. Are you okay?
I guess she's fine. You know what? Just You know she's been out the whole day. She's probably very, very tired. And she needs to rest. I would advise she go into her room and take some rest, okay? You run around, okay? Yes. She needs to sleep. I mean, rest. Yes.
Mama, I was only saying you should have waited until tomorrow. It's late. Besides, I don't encourage traveling at night. It's quite risky, you know?
Late? You didn't tell him? Late? What did I late when I used to climb 911? Jebuabo, Buochako. No, now. Don't worry about lateness. In fact, desperate times call for desperate measures. Yes, yes.
Mama, what desperate time are you talking about?
Oh.
Huh?
You didn't tell him. She has been complaining about this continuous stomach pain. All the time she will call and be complaining.
Stomach pain?
Yes. You know, somebody that is looking for the fruit of the womb. I don't know what she has been taking. So I have come to be massaging her.
Oh, but babe, you didn't tell me anything like that, did you?
I am... Oh, Mama. Oh!
Wait, is it that bad?
No. See, it's not everything she will tell you. You're a man. There are so many on your head, not a man million. There is division of labor. And for me, this is my job. That is why I'm here.
But babe, we live in the same house and you couldn't tell me that you have stomach pain?
Oh, Mama, don't worry, I will see to it. Oh?
Wait, babe, should I call the doctor?
Banon, this is not a doctor's problem. It's a herbal problem. I will solve it with her.
Herbal?
Yes. Ejimoda. Ejimoziza. Ejimonye shiburu munye die. Ejimecheteka.
Onye shiburu, what's that?
You will not understand. Banon. Come here, Wano, please. Let me just go to the room. I will boil water and start my job.
Babe, are you sure you're okay?
You don't need doctor. I am here, the doctor of the house. Don't worry. Sorry.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Come here. I said you should come here. Bring that slippers. Okpo. Drop it. Listen, take this money. Run to the market. I'm not talking about this market close by. The one by Abraka Junction. Get me crocodile egg.
Eh? Madam? Madam, which kind of thing be this one now? You don't become apprentice for native doctor. Which one be crocodile? If Okuku give me sack later now.
Does it look like I'm smiling with you?
Which one be crocodile?
Shut
egg?
up! Keep quiet. Are you the only one who doesn't know that I have injury on my leg? And crocodile egg is what you use in treating severe injury. You don't know.
Severe injury? I mean, make I see that kind of injury. Severe. Make I see on my back.
Come on, look at it.
Eh?
My friend, run off and go and get me what I asked you to. What is even wrong with you?
Madam, which kind of message be this one? Where I won't go see? Okay, I beg you where they buy them before. Which market you they see them? Where they always go collect them?
Your grandmother's grave is just behind the house. Go there. Seek her attention. Let her tell you where the market is. Run to the market and get me crocodile egg. Hey. And make sure you get that crocodile egg. If you don't see it, just keep roaming around town until you get... Don't come back to this house if you don't see it.
Hey! That's the problem. Oh. I need the help for this one. Oh. Madam, the way they behave, I don't say for this house. One day you must send me message way past me. And you not fail me. So where I won't go see crocodile egg? Which kind of message be this one?
Polo, I don't want to repeat myself again. Turn now and run to the market. It's very important.
Hey! You sure say
run! No!
You sure say that this is when crocodile they take lay egg with this?
Are you mad?
Hey, help! Oh. Help! Help me! Oh. Yeah. Crocodile egg. Madam,
what sort of human being is this?
See you tomorrow.
If you don't find the egg, don't come back to this house. You better go to your village from there.
Where I go find her? That be the question. Where I won't find her?
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
I hope you have some money with you.
Money, kwa? What do we need money for?
You're asking me what we need money for. Eh? Have you forgotten that we need to buy some things? Shovel. If you're embarking on such a journey, you need money. If the police insult one, if we need something, you insult one. Hey, Mama, go and get money.
You are very correct.
I'll get enough money. Where are you? Mother.
up, Dad. Please pick up. Pick up.
you coming from?
See, Oga. No, Bossy. Now for day now. The last bus where they go, Bossy, now I say make I enter, they say don't fool. I say make I hang for back, they no agree. Crocodile egg, now don't they find? Since morning, they walk everywhere. They say that kind of thing, you know, if you find them for here. No be things what they say for store. So I need to go down to Bossy.
I beg your pardon. Crocodile egg. Who asked you to get crocodile egg?
Now, madam, madam just rush, come out here, say, Polo, make I go they find crocodile egg. Say, where I won't find this one? They say, make I they go everywhere. For this time, they find crocodile.
Hey, hold on, hold it there.
Okay, I even work out so the people come they look me like all these small boys where they carry pots, they follow native doctor. I can't they wonder which kind of thing be this? Before they say make I they go, Bossy go, they find them sense.
She asked you to get crocodile egg.
Yes, so.
What is she going to do with it?
I know. At first, I even think say she won't fry am, chop. Before she can say she get injury where she won't take crocodile egg, take a heel. Now the thing I did since morning, I don't work tire.
Where is she?
She go there inside room.
All right, wash these cars.
of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful.
Paul!
Sir?
Where's my son, Jamal?
Oh, Jamal, he go there inside. He go there do mass assignment inside.
Are you stupid? Paul, what's wrong with you? You've been acting strange. You've been acting very weird. Have you started taking alcohol?
Me? Okay, what you won't concern alcohol. You don't ever see me with alcohol before. Okay, leave alcohol aside. I don't.
Where is my son, Jamal?
Okay, Jamal, they inside.
Listen, I missed his calls. I called him back, and he's not picking up. You said he was inside. I checked everywhere, and my son is nowhere to be found. I'm suspecting you had gone out to drink alcohol, reason you have lost your mind. And that is why you didn't know when he left the house.
Okay, I won't begin the life for you now. I tell you, sir, I sit down here, madam come meet me, say make I go dey find crocodile egg. Some people say make I dey go Okeja. Some even say make I dey go Nteje. That's why I waka tire since morning. I know see my day.
Paul, shut up your mouth. Where's my son Jamal? He's not home.
Okay, Jamal dey inside. Make I go help you find him. Jamal
okay, are you trying to call me a liar?
Okay, no be sad.
Paul, are you saying I am lying?
No be sad. They talk say they like, but everything what they tell you na do. Jamal also no be pikin wey dey waka dey play ball, dey follow children dey play. It always dey inside. Now wetin okay, everything what I tell you here today na true. The crocodile egg why they tell you say they find. I don't find I don't even make call. Some people say make I call some for Accra thing boom say na there then they sell am. Say no be waiting they buy na spiritual something. How go they lie for you? Check where you go there.
So because they call you, you want to enter my mouth? Come and enter. Come on, my friend shifts back. Yeah? What did you tell my husband I asked you to go and buy?
Okay. I tell him exactly what you talk.
What be the exactly thing when I say make you go buy?
I tell Oga say you send me, you say make I with the waka they go find crocodile egg for you.
Hey, keep quiet. Just shut up. What time and when did I ask you to go and get crocodile egg? Austin, Polo, I specifically asked you to go and get me cockroach medicine. How can you tell me that cockroach sounds like a crocodile? Cockroach, crocodile. I mean, where is the resemblance? How do they even sound alike? So I asked you to go and get me something. You now balanced, sat down on your own and decided to change the name to what you like to go and look for. Okwaya? Hey. But even if I asked you to go and get crocodile egg, or Lodo, where will you see crocodile egg on planet? My friend, will you get out? Where is Jamal?
Now when I go buy crocodile egg for you, when I go
buy see crocodile egg. Yeah. Look
Sugar, settle with your husband, Hi, husband material. 1,000 yards. Let me find something and eat, I'll be inside. You know what?
You need to do something about Polo. You need to do something about him. You see that guy alone, he can cause another pandemic in this world. I simply asked him to go and get me cockroach medicine. I don't know where he had a crocodile egg from. How can I even ask him to go and get crocodile? Where on earth will he get crocodile egg? Oh, Chimo, just want to come and put me in trouble. Where did Jamal even go to?
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never?
I want him to be Mumu. Just turn him into Mumu. Yes. Mama. So that whatever. What? Keep quiet. Add blindness to the Mumunish.
Paraji! Sorry, sir. Sorry. I see blindness. How do you want him to sign the document if he's blind?
You guide him. Experience has taught me a lot. What the eye sees, it feels the brain. We need to take his sight off him. By that we will deprive him of the knowledge of things happening around him. Your mother has gained a lot through experience.
How do you mean, Mama?
There is no how. Just be listening. Don't mind us, That's how we argue at times. So come on, yes. We disagree to agree. So I want the level of the Mumulish and the blindness to come up near high level. What else? I want him to be barking like a dog. This is my husband we're talking about. Why would you want him to be barking like a dog? Are we talking about husband? We are talking about how to acquire wealth. Husband that is you can marry any man of your choice. You know, when they entangle themselves with ritual, it's either the person is barking like a dog or eating from the dustbin. So which one do you choose? Barking like a dog or eating from the dustbin? Barking like a dog, barking, yes. Or not barking.
whatever you want, you use this medicine to control it. Yes. Alright.
Pick it.
What are you? Pick it. Pick it. Pick it.
Your mother says you should pick it. Are you alright? It's husband material, my husband. What can they have pick it?
Pick it.
Make sure you pick it this thing. One good.
Sorry, sir. Good day, sir. Thank God. I just saw you now. I'm sorry. Sir, I've been meaning to see you. There's something I need to discuss with you.
Sorry, who are you and what can I do for you?
Sorry, sir. I know you don't know me. I was at your place the other time, but I couldn't see you and my work hasn't given me enough time to come and check on you again. Sir, it's about your wife. Yes.
My wife? What about my wife?
No, I meant the one you know as the chef, not the other wife. Yes.
Chef?
Yes, that one. She's your real wife.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. A wicked world. A wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world.
I came in from town last night to see my cousin here, who happens to be an herbalist. Then I saw this little boy receiving treatment. I took a closer look at him and I realized I've seen him before, sir. Because this is the little boy your friend came with for your daughter's birthday party. Yes. That you invited all of us at the office. The reason I called you, sir, is to be sure I wasn't imagining things. So
This is Jamal, Tony's son. And this is Tony's chef.
you know as well.
They both have been missing for days. What happened? I personally rushed them to the hospital for treatment. I couldn't afford the bills, so I had to bring them back home to continue with my herbs. Pending when they will recover to at least be able to relate with me. But I thank God, so far, I think they are better now.
Uncle Ben, Mommy and Grandma want to kill Auntie Gracious. They buried her.
These were her pictures before and during and after the surgery. And there is the dress she was wearing the day she was attacked by her mom and her stepsister. I believe you can remember or recognize the dress. After the death of Dr. Douglas, Paragon Hospital suffered a lot of setback, which took us a longer time to gather all the information and the proof we need to prove our point. Yeah. Grace already told me you already started feeling the presence of your presumed dead wife around her. But there is no way we can come out to tell you or explain anything to you when we don't even have all the evidence that we needed. It was just last week I was able to gather all the information and the proof. And that was the last time I saw her, when your wife bumped into our conversation. She went home that day and her phone stopped going. I couldn't reach her anymore. I came to your house and your gate man told me that she was missing. Sir, if you ask me, honestly, I do not need a soothsayer to tell me your wife has a hand in her disappearance. I know that for sure.
Hello? Yeah, bro. Where are you? You need to come to where I am immediately. You really need to come here, yes.
Yes, there is no problem. It's a good news, yes. You need to report here immediately.
I'll text you the address. Alright.
Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Oh, now
needed to be sure. I needed to be sure what I'm up and against. Coming back to meet my sister, living with my lawfully wedded husband as his wife wasn't an easy one for me. Yes, I know my sister hated me so much. But I never knew it was this deep as to trying to take my life. But in all, I give thanks to God for keeping me alive up till today. Indeed, no one can take another man's life except his or her she has consented to it. My name is Grace, and I represent Grace.
Concluded, no, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life.
You need to be the man you are and get hold of yourself. Maybe there are more to dig out. Your so-called wife has planned to sell off all your properties.
None can challenge God's authority. No, 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 no. None can withstand the power of God. No, 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 no. None can say when God have not said and it come to pass.
Hey! In-law! Husband material. Welcome. Are you alright?
There is big trouble. Whenever my husband stays quiet like that and start twitching his hand like as if on our phone, there is trouble. I sense trouble, Mama. Look at him. Mama, we need to do something. I am not sure this man is going to eat my food. Whatever he is up with, our visit to Otakabere's shrine will never be in vain. Calm down. Say, calm down. Yes. Calm down for what? Eh, Mama? Calm down for what? How are we going to know if Otakabere's medicine work if he doesn't eat the food? Who says he will not eat my food? The one I prepared. Mama, you see me, Mama. You see me. Forget that thing. He must eat the food. Calm down.
See.
Hey! Did pepper enter your eyes?
I don't know.
Stand up. Huh? Get up. Stand up.
Am I blind?
Blind? What? Did pepper enter your eyes?
Have I gone blind?
No. Stand up. It's not possible.
Huh?
Stand up.
What's going on?
Stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. Sit down. Sit down.
Huh?
Sit down. When they say sit down, you sit on a chair. Ngwa, sit down. Sit down.
Wait, am I blind?
Sit down.
I can't see anything.
But sit down. Sit first. No, sit. Sit.
Huh?
Sit down. Stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. Stand up.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Ngwa, to your room. Left. Left.
Huh?
Ngwa, left. Left. Ngwa,
Left.
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 Left. Oh yeah, right.
Right.
Right. Forward the march.
What's going on here?
Huh? Forward march of Hungary, Gawalobi. To your room. Gawalobi.
What are you saying here?
Just go. Hey, forward march of Hungary.
What are you saying?
Gawalobi.
Babe, I can't see.
We know you cannot for that.
You know I can't see?
Forward march of Hungary,
Gawalobi. Is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why?
Babe.
Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you.
Honey, can you hear me?
So be careful. The heart man is dangerous.
Go and open the gate.
Full of wickedness,
They jump
envy
up.
and jealousy.
You didn't hear the horn.
Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to
Sugar. Mama. I can do that. Put on. Yes. Hey. Welcome, gentlemen.
Mama, it's gentlemen.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Okay, Mama, this is Mr. Steve and Barrister Ken.
Okay.
They have come to do the needful.
Hi! Baristas and Mr. Ken. By their looks, we shall know them. The needful, very, very important. Very, very important. You're welcome, gentlemen. Come and join me. I have more of this. Mango juice.
Mama,
straight from a Kenibo.
Mama, it's okay,
So that your brain, you'll be fully prepared.
Mama, they did not come
avoid
to
mistakes.
drink. Let me take them inside.
Okay.
And then we have business to take them.
Yes.
What a wicked
Make yourself very comfortable. Let me get them. I'll be back in a bit. Thank you. Stop there! Stay wait! You never sit in one place. You're always moving around, up and down. Now, wait. Come and sit down. Move this way. Sorry about what? Please go and sit down.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, that is not the seat. Ah! Toro. Leave my bag now. Leave the bag. Ah! What is it? People who are blind sit at a place. You are always moving around.
I apologize.
Gonna spoil you. I'm very sorry. You know how I do.
It's okay.
Thank you. Oh?
Someone here?
It's your grandfather that is here. I'll be back.
The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful.
There you go. Yes.
Oh, I told you, I'm a genius.
I know. That was very brilliant.
Wow.
Oh, what's going on here? You see, I was actually telling my friends that I was coming to bring you so we can celebrate the good life, you know?
The good life?
Yeah,
very
you see,
important.
You see, the good book says, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. You see, there's love in sharing.
Don't be scared, man. Come on, join us.
Yeah, I was going to give you this. Just have a sip. I mean, we're trying to celebrate, you know. Let's all celebrate together.
Fine, fine. Please, you get Pentecost. You need every door with bazaar. Hey! Hey, Maggie, my bread, my sugar. Mama Sugar, you are going to be a great person. What a good. A ghost. Yes.
None can conclude when God hath not concluded. No. None can question God's declarations. No.
A ghost. Yes. Ghost. Hey! Woohoo! Mama.
She's really white.
Material. Husband material na frozen. Is he saying?
Mama, he's not blind.
Who is not blind?
Naija, he's not blind though.
Yes, I'm not blind. Sit down.
Jimo.
Sit.
You're not blind.
No, I am not blind.
Hey.
I can see you clearly.
Hey! So what do we do? Calm down, Sugar. Otakabere is a great medicine man who never fails. All we need to do is to add the substance in his food as he instructed. Then, he will go blind. Not only blind, he will turn to your momo. Then, you don't have a problem. When those men will come for signing, all you need to do is you will remote Napia, change the channel, pay. Any channel you want. Once we sell off the things we can sell, and you will get Pentecost one year. Hi, generally in the every double bazaar.
So, what I will do is I'll pour the substance inside the pot. Okay?
Hey, Sugar. Do you want to blind all of us? You want to turn all of us to your mumu or blind all of us? Igbo, are you alright? Igbo. Mama, you will pour in his own plate of food.
Okay. Mama, you are right. But you see, you will not make heaven. Heaven on our son. Mama, you will not make heaven.
Very bad daughter.
You're a bad woman.
Very bad daughter.
You will not.
Omemma gana rama, omento gana Payback time is near. Payback time is near. When the wrath of God will come, you will face it. Be careful.
Sell all my properties, right?
Madam, you people are under arrest for the offense of conspiracy, fraud, and attempted murder of Mrs. Grace Ohakwe. And you have right to remain silent for whatsoever thing you say will be given as evidence against you in the court of law. Officer, back up there.
I know you. We can settle this. But you know me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. You have to remain silent. Whatsoever you say,
none can withstand the power of God. No.
back up there.
None can say when God
Officer, take these people out of here.
Hey!
Don't talk over there.
My husband. But I know you. Don't you remember this? We can sort this. Grace! Down there. Hi! Mama!
Back up there. Let's go.
Mama, they're blocking the door. Husband Matilda. Blocking the door. Husband Matilda. I got so.
Officer, take these people out of here.
Like this. Don't allow me to arrest. Move. I said move.
Officer, do something about this.
Move.
Let's
respect yourself and be moving.
move our people.
I said
when God hath not
go.
No. None can question.
Officer, take these people out of here.
I said move. Get out. I will use maximum force on you. Move.
Get out.
Move. Let's go.
Let's go. I am not your husband. You will find your husband at the police cell. Let's go. Get out of the house. Go to the house in the police cell. Get out. Get out.
I represent grace. A wicked one.
Hey!
Let's go.
Uncle Faba Juan Adipo Taka o. Adipo Tajapanga.
Let's go now. Let's go.
Hey! Hey, Oga. You know we can stop this.
Move.
Yes,
No, it's
we
not.
can sort
No,
it
it's not something we sort it
Magina,
out. No, we only get to the office.
Magina Tuose.
Let's go to the office.
Hey!
Move.
Ekwano manya handcuff.
Move.
Adipo Tajapanga. Adipo Tajapanga.
Let's go.
Adipo Tajapanga.
Let's go.
We can sort this.
Let's go. No, there's nothing we can sort out. No, we'll reach office. Let's go.
Stop it.
Madam,
Believe me.
don't allow me to harass you. Let's go.
Hey!
Officer, take it easy now. Officer, take it easy. Hey! They don't even allow me. They don't even allow me make I even tell madam say crocodile egg wey in the 5 cents. Say I don't see am. See crocodile egg now. Well, I say make I give am. If he reach there now, you go need am for another silver injury where you go get inside there. If they push me, go. I follow commit crime. Officer, me no wound am o. Ha! Person never even chop food. Wetin I wan use this egg do now? I fry am in the chopper. I even fry am.
So be careful. A wicked one. What a wicked one.
I did a job well done. You know I'm always good at what I do.
That's good.
You can always count on me.
Ben, thank you very much. I really appreciate everything. What a first. Thank you very much. Thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate everything.
I'm always here.
Thank you very much. You okay? Huh? Jamal, you good? That's good. Huh? You sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it comes to pass. Payback time is near. Payback time is near. When the wrath of God will come, you will fail.